Step into the rainforest. Giant trees soar towards the sky, forming a vast green canopy. Sunlight filters down in dancing beams while the air hums with life. These great forests are truly vital. Often called the lungs of our planet, they breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Rainforests have been performing this crucial role for millions of years. They help control Earth's climate, acting like natural air conditioners. The vast green canopy absorbs the sun's heat, cooling the surrounding areas. The moisture they release forms clouds, bringing rain to other lands. Without these forests, weather patterns would change dramatically. The atmosphere within the rainforest is unique, incredibly humid. This moisture comes from the constant cycle of rain. Water is drawn up by the trees and released back into the air. This creates a self-sustaining system. The forest makes its own rain in a way. This constant dampness supports an incredible variety of life. It allows delicate ferns and mosses to thrive on every surface. The rainforest is a place of profound mystery and beauty. It is an ancient realm pulsing with energy. The sheer variety of life in a rainforest is breathtaking. Scientists believe that over half of all species on Earth live here. Millions of different plants and animals, many still unknown to us. Imagine new creatures waiting to be discovered, hidden beneath leaves or high in the canopy. Each one plays a part in this complex web of life. Look closely, and you might glimpse a jaguar moving like a silent shadow. High above, colorful macaws flash through the trees. Tiny jewel-like hummingbirds dart from flower to flower. Monkeys chatter and leap through the branches with incredible agility. The world of insects here is truly extraordinary. Armies of ants march across the forest floor, nature's tiny recyclers. Butterflies with wings like stained glass flutter in sunlit clearings. Beetles come in an astonishing array of shapes and colors. Many of these small creatures are vital pollinators. They help the forest to reproduce and flourish. The plant life is equally diverse and fascinating. Enormous trees, centuries old, form the backbone of the forest. Orchids with intricate, beautiful flowers cling to the bark. It is a constant, silent battle for sunlight and space. For thousands of years, people have called the rainforest home. These are the indigenous communities. Their connection to this green world is incredibly deep. They do not see themselves as separate from the forest. Instead, they are an integral part of it. They have lived in harmony with nature for countless generations. Indigenous peoples possess extraordinary knowledge of the forest. They know which plants can heal illnesses and how to find food sustainably. They can read the subtle signs of the forest, the calls of birds, the tracks of animals. They know the rhythms of the seasons. The forest is not just a source of food and shelter for indigenous communities, it is also their pharmacy, their temple, and their library. Their stories, songs, and traditions are all tied to the forest. The fate of indigenous communities is directly linked to the health of the rainforest. When the forest suffers, they suffer too. They are the true guardians of this green realm. Sadly, these incredible rainforests are facing grave threats. Every single day, vast areas are destroyed. The roar of chainsaws replaces the calls of birds. Fires rage, turning ancient trees into ash. This destruction is called deforestation. It happens for many reasons. Land is cleared for cattle ranching and timber. Plantations for crops like palm oil and soya expand relentlessly. Climate change is another major danger. Our warming world is altering weather patterns. Rainforests, which thrive on stability, are feeling the effects. Some areas are experiencing longer, more severe droughts. Others face more intense storms and flooding. But there is hope on the horizon. Around the world, people are working to protect these vital ecosystems. Governments are creating protected areas and national parks. Conservation organizations are running projects to reforest damaged land. They work with local communities, including indigenous groups. The future of the rainforests rests in our hands. If we act now, we can ensure these magnificent worlds continue to thrive.